Alright, I'm trying to be true to my word here. I've got the January 2021 Pro Series box from Mystery Tackle Box here. And I've went ahead and rigged up one of the baits on here. So for this month they have a Lunker Hunt Gambit swim bait. It's a 5/8 ounce, 4.5 inch weedless pre-rigged setup. And so let's see if I can bring this guy in a little closer here. Oop. And this kind of got like a painted on pattern here, and the color on this is called Gilly. So I think what I'm going to do is just go ahead and cast this thing out there and see if we can catch something, and then I'll also talk about some of the other stuff that's out here in the box as well. Alright, well, unfortunately, the third cast out there, it got caught up on a branch and I lost the lure. So that's going to be one of the challenges with this format, I guess, is, you know. But anyway, so that was the first thing on there, was this Lunker Hunt swim gambit, and it did the action as I was throwing it out here. It swam pretty well. It was a pretty cool looking bait, so probably we'll get a replacement and try that one a little bit more in the future. Let's see, next up here we have the X-Zone 4-inch swammer. So this is kind of like a green with blue flake paddle tail swim bait. And then I guess you might pair that up here with this the Guggen hammer hooks. There's two in here. There's a 3/0 and a 4/0. And I'm guessing, like I said, you know, a lot of times I'll pair some of these together. We've got a Cabin Creek bait. So this is like a watermelon craw. Let me see if I can separate these out a little bit. Let's see if I can get this guy pushed. So it's like kind of like a hybrid craw bug looking setup. It's got these big pinchers on here. And then let's see here. Next we have the Sneak Attack soft swim jig. So it's a jig. Looks like a green pumpkin or watermelon with red flake on that one. We have a Strike Pro tournament grade series. This is like a suspending jerkbait. And this one, let's see, depth is about 4.5 to 6 feet. And then last but certainly not least here, we've got the Guggen Squad Zinger bait. So this is a spinner bait. And I guess, you know, you have the option. You could probably pair it up here with either one of these guys. You could probably pair it up with this paddle tail or maybe even this craw if you want a little bit smaller presentation. So that is the box for January 2021. Since I lost this other lure here, I will try to do another video, order a new one, get a video of it here sometime here in the future. But for now, I guess what I'll do is I'll probably rig up one of these hooks and we'll try this paddle tail swimmer.